Yes,
I
ma'am.
don't
Good evening.
understand you.
Yeah,
Yes,
good
good
evening, ma'am.
evening.
Good evening. Yes, ma'am. So shall we start now?
What? Yes, I'm here.
And what about students?
I will send the link, but you have a test tomorrow.
What, ma'am?
My student has test tomorrow in school.
Okay. Okay. So, okay, fine. So what do you want me to do now? Should I take the session?
What?
Should I start the meeting?
Please again, I don't understand you.
Hello, ma'am. Can we start the meeting?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Switch on your video, ma'am, if possible.
What?
Switch on your video.
Video?
Yes,
Okay.
if you can.
Yes. Video from you or from me?
Your video, ma'am.
Okay, I will see.
Hello.
Hello, I am you with you.
Yes. See what we are doing, ma'am.
What?
See here. This is what we have done. You can see this.
Okay, I will see.
Please check this. This is what we have made for. This is what team you have joined now. This is what we have made. So your student can also build some satellite like this. What we have made, you can see this satellite. It has yellow color, and that yellow color is called MLI. That is called multi-layer insulation. And satellite has got antenna. You can see the antenna over here. And this is the rocket which is used for launching the satellite. So this satellite, these are the boosters of the rocket. With the help of this, satellite is moving in the space. For giving the initial power to the rocket, we are having the boosters. So first we have to ignite these boosters, and once this booster we ignite, the satellite will move in the space. To see how it is going to move in the space.
7, 6.
Okay.
5, 4,
so this is how this firing is going to take place. You see that there is a vast fire in the booster. Now this rocket has been taken off. It is going to the space. This rocket is called PSLV rocket of India. India has made 3 rockets. One is SLV, one is PSLV, and one is GSLV. So this is a PSLV series of India rocket, which was used to launch this satellite you have seen before. Yeah. Now you see this. This is how satellite is moving in the space. Where you see on the top on the nose of the rocket, that satellite is kept there. So while it is flying in the space, what will happen is that this nose will get separated. I will show you the another video in this you will watch. So these are the plotting, how the rocket is moving in the space. So these are the plots, how it is moving in the space. So this plot is taken at the command center of Indian Space Research Organization. That is a space agency of ISRO, India Space Agency. Now you see this, how the rocket is moving, that graph is plotted over here. Now this is the control room where they are watching all the, tracing the path of the rocket and satellite. So this is the control room where all the scientists is sitting over here. And you have that mic is there. With the help of mic, he's announcing the satellite has got separated. So you saw this video. This video, they are saying the satellite has got launched. Now I'll show you another video. In this, you will see how satellite will get separated. So this is that rocket you have seen before. That is the rocket. So this rocket, first it will move in the space. Firstly, it is moving in the space. And you see this, how the rocket is going to move. So when the rocket is moving in the space, you can see this, there are boosters are there. See, there are 4 boosters. It can be It can be 5 or 6. It depends. See, these are the 4 boosters. If rocket has to go at higher level, the booster numbers may increase because it need more power and more energy. But since this is we are going for a simple mission. When we are going for a simple mission, it doesn't need so much big, too many boosters, right? So like this we are having. 1 second, ma'am.
Yes,
Just a
I'm
minute.
with you.
Yeah, sir. I can hear you. Just a moment. 1 minute. I'll show just a minute. Yeah. So you can see this is the booster where you have all the, rocket have got various boosters. Why you need a booster? Because if the rocket has got a booster, then only rocket can go for, longer distance. So if we are increasing the number of boosters, the rocket can go for higher distance. So this is what you can see on the screen. Now see this rocket is moving in the space and the ignition has been taken place. Now see it is moving to the space. So first part, what will happen? This is a PSLV rocket. So in the case of PSLV, you are having 4 stages. So in the 4 stages, we are having 2 solid stage and 2 liquid stage. So in the 2 solid stage, first 2 solid stage will get separated and then 2 liquid state will get separated. You see this? So this is moving in the space now. And first the separation will be the booster. So you see that this is the separation of the booster. How the boosters are getting separated. And why boosters are there? Because we want to give more energy to the rocket to reach to the different level in the space, because sometimes satellite can go in a stratosphere, sometimes satellite can go in ionosphere, sometimes satellite has to go in Chandrayaan, moon, sometimes it has to reach to Mars. So it's very difficult to send the satellite with the rocket. So we need to have booster to give the initial power. So see how booster has got separated. Now this rocket will get separated into different stages. You see, this will be the separation number 1. So this is the stage separation number 1. See how the rocket will get separated. So this is the separation number 1. The rocket has been separated into 1 part. Now you see it's moving in the space. Again, firing has been taken place. This firing has been taken place. Again, the rocket is moving into space. You see how rocket is moving into space. Now what will happen? After this stage, there will be second stage separation. So you see this, this is the another stage of separation where you can see now the satellite has come out from the rocket. So you see this is moving, moving and moving.
The second stage is
see here, this is moving. Now this has been cut into 3 parts. Now see the last part. This is the last part where you can find the India flag. That is the biggest satellite. In the rocket, there will be various type of satellite will be there. It may be the micro one, it may be the mono size, it can be the femto size, or it can be the can size, or it can be the bigger one. So this flag, you are seeing the India flag, that is the bigger satellite, and you see how it will get separated. So now still rocket is moving into space. After some point of time, see this part has got separated. This is the 4th stage separation. 4th stage has got ignited. And now see this, the main satellite will get separated. First, there will be separation of main satellite. So you see here the main satellite got separated. There are various micro satellites which is getting separated. So this is how we are launching different type of satellite with the help of Indian rocket PSLV. One more thing I just wanted to discuss with you regarding that how the satellite can, yeah, ma'am, tell. Yeah. Want to say something? Hello, ma'am.
Yes, I'm with you.
Okay, you can
Hello?
hear me, right? Yes, I can hear you, ma'am.
Yes,
Now
I'm
I will
listening.
just,
Yes.
yeah, fine. I will just show you something which is, 1 second, just wait a moment. I will show you something what our team has made, and various childrens from the India, they have launched also different type of satellite last month itself from Rameshwaram. So it was done before a few months, 1 month only. Now, if I share you the screen, you can see the satellite which was made by our team member of IDBIM Foundation. They have studied from IIT Bombay. So you see here, just wait a moment. I will share the screen. Yeah, just see this part. See this here. This is the satellite which was made by our teammates of Igniting Dreams of Young Mind Foundation. If you see this satellite, I can just zoom it and tell to you. This is the satellite which is having a multi-layer insulation. This yellow color you are seeing, no? This yellow color is called multi-layer insulation. Why we are giving multi-layer insulation? Because you must know that space doesn't give second chance. Egypt can also launch various satellites, and they are launching. They are doing really great in the space field also. So this yellow color white is kept because they want to protect all the electronic gadget which is kept in the satellite, because as we all know that a space doesn't give second chance. A space can give you only one chance. If your some machine is not working, if your phone is not working, you can go to the shopkeeper and you can repair it. But if your satellite is not working, you cannot go and repair the satellite. It's very difficult. So for that purpose, we are having this multi-layer insulation to save that electronic gadget from the sun radiations, right? Now, if you come to this part, this is the antenna part of the satellite. See this one, this is the antenna part, you see here. This, you see the rods is kept in the satellite. That is the antenna part. Why antenna is there? Because antenna is given to the satellite for connecting to the ground station. Without connecting to the ground station, satellite cannot receive the signal. So we need to have a ground station for receiving the signal from the satellite. So when the satellite is moving, like if you have a satellite, you have made it, and it is kept in your school, your children might be in the school, and when satellite will cross the school, that time if you have a ground station at your school, the satellite will read the data, and that ground station, some beep sound will come. Beep sound will be there when satellite will cross the building of the school. So in this, you have the antenna for receiving the signal, but not only the antenna is there is a solar panel is also there. Why we are having the solar panel? Because satellite doesn't, how if you are having a car, you can put the petrol and you can drive the car. But in the case of satellite, you cannot, you have a petrol and diesel in the space and you can put in that and that will fly. No, it's not possible. So you need to have a solar panel to supply the energy to the satellite. So we are giving a solar panel to the satellite to supply the minimum amount of energy so that satellite can rotate in the space. So there are some solar panels are there for this satellite to be continuously moving in the space. So these are the basic things I have just wanted to tell you. Then you can see the better view of this. This is the CAD view, where you can see here, this is the another view of the same satellite. You can see this part is the antenna part. This is the antenna part. And you can make your own satellite. That is not a big thing. You can see here the another picture. It is showing much better way. You see here, this is the solar panel of the satellite. I have told you just now that why solar panel is there to gain the energy to move the satellite into the space. So various, this is another satellite made by my friends from one of our engineering college from Maharashtra. They have also built this satellite. You see the solar panel clear view. These are the solar panels which is there in the satellite to get the energy for satellite to move in the space. Now, when you come to this part, you see the rocket. I just wanted to tell you how the rocket works and how satellite will move in the space. So this is the Pratham satellite. You can see the satellite over here. This is the Pratham. So this satellite is a Pratham satellite, and this is the PSLV-C-35 rocket. You see here, satellite is always kept over here. This is the part satellite is kept there. And this rocket has got many stages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stages are there. So with the help of this satellite will go into the space, and last this part will get separated and satellite will come out and it will start rotating into space, right? So these are the something basic thing you have to learn. When our teammates made the satellite C, they were having a, like they were feeling very happy. So they have lifted that another model of satellite, which was, and these are the team which was working for 8 years to build this satellite. So this is the team you can see on the screen, that they were working so hard for building this satellite. A lot of things are there which has to be discussed in the space technology. But being a children's, how you can contribute for your nation, that is the biggest thing what you can do. So if you are a student, if you want to build a satellite, what you need to do, you have to build a satellite which can have, it can be a smaller size, because a school cannot pay that much amount of money, how much it was paid in the case of Pratham satellite. Pratham satellite, it was having a cost of 1 crore 40 lakh rupees. That was too much costly. So small children's, smaller school cannot afford to have such amount, So you can move for making a satellite like femtosite. It is a very small satellite, which can be launched with the help of helium balloon and drones. Or if your satellite is having good quality, you can be even launch the satellite with the help of PSLV or GSLV or SLV rocket of Indian Space Research Organization. Or you can even opt for NASA. NASA is also giving a lot of opportunity for the people to think about it, how you can go with it. So these are the basic thing I wanted to share with you for building how you can build your own satellite and how you can think of building it. So these are the things I wanted to discuss with you today meeting. And later on, we can have one more meeting, little bit earlier time, because in India right now it is 11:30 p.m. Hello, ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, Amu.
Yeah, you can hear me, right? So it was, yeah, ma'am, how was it? You understood?
What?
Yes, so these are the basic things what I wanted to discuss with you. If you want to say something, you can say now.
I have questions. How do you teach our student to make satellite in class? Number one. Number
yeah,
two.
yeah.
Number two is it's possible to make an Arabic translation with an
Yeah, yes.
explanation from you.
Yeah, you can do one thing, ma'am. You can understand English, no? So you have to first listen to me, and then you can translate to your children's, and children will, then you can, again, I will teach, then again you translate, like this we can do.
Okay, to understand my student in next session.
Yeah, that will be done. That will be done.
It's better to make translate in Arabic, please.
Yes, sure, ma'am. Sure, we will do. Sure, we will do. And yeah, and what I'm telling you
Okay.
that we can teach your student. They can build the satellite, and definitely we will do a lot of things for them, and they will definitely do a lot of wonders in coming days. We can have one more session, two more session as per your wish, and we can teach your student, and they will learn a lot of things regarding space technology, because this is a very new thing. Yeah.
Okay. But
Yes,
يعني how do you teach about our student step by step? Can you see step from us?
yes, we will teach everything, ma'am. There is no need to worry. We will teach each and everything, whatever a student they need, because we are running this team for students only. So there is no need to worry. We are there for the student for 20. See, the time in India is 11:30. It's 12 a.m. right now. But as you said that we want a workshop, we have conducted now, because we are always ready for helping the students, and we are all time ready for them.
Okay. Are there YouTube channel for you?
Yes, ma'am, I have the YouTube channel. I will send you the link.
Yes. Can you send the link in chat and open it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sure. I will share
To
to you right
support
now.
to support in teaching my student.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Sure, we will do. Sure, do. Whatever you need, we will do for you. No problem. Don't worry, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Are there any certificate from you to me or my student?
Yeah, I will give you certificate, ma'am. I will give you certificate. Don't worry about anything. We are there with the people of Egypt, and we really love the people of Egypt. Yes.
On what's group or what or where?
I will send you in your WhatsApp also, in the group also.
Certificate.
I will send you in your,
Okay.
yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ma'am, please send one thanking letter from your school. I will send you the format. Please send a thanking letter from your school for today's session. Okay, ma'am? One certificate from a school for our team.
Link my school?
No, from your school, you send me one certificate for us.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am?
Yes.
Anything else?
What?
Anything else you want to know?
No. Thank you. Thank you for explaining and your time from you to me.
Yes, ma'am. And please send your name in my WhatsApp so I can make your certificate. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I am with you. What's the group? My name
Okay, ma'am. Please.
Nagla Ibid.
Yeah, please
What?
send me the name in my WhatsApp. Now. Please send your
Okay.
name in my WhatsApp.
Okay. My name Nagla.
Yes.
Nagla Makram Ibid Hanna.
Okay, ma'am. Please.
My
Thank you,
name?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank
please
you.
send.
Goodbye.
Please send me in WhatsApp, ma'am. Please send me in WhatsApp. Bye, bye, ma'am.
Okay.
Good
Okay.
night.
Okay. I will send. I will
Good
send
night,
in
Supa.
group. What's? Okay.
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
night
Thank you, ma'am.
for you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye.